In this video, I'm going to discuss the curl and its geometrical interpretation. From the definition of this operator del, we can construct the curl del, that is this operator. Then you take the cross product with the vector function. This is a vector. So this del is x cap dou by dou x plus y cap dou by dou y plus z cap dou by dou z cross this vector function. This cross product can be written as a determinant. So x cap, y cap, z cap, then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, then vx, vy, vz. This determinant can be written like this. Now let us see the geometrical interpretation of the curl. The name curl is also well chosen. This del cross v vector. It is a measure of how a function or a quantity is rotating about a point in question. Then in my last video I discussed divergence of a vector point function. These two cases positive divergence, but here there is no rotation about a particular point, so curl is 0. Positive divergence but curl is 0. Similarly for this also positive divergence but curl is 0, because in this case also there is no rotation. In my last video, while taking this, one place I have made a mistake. I told for this negative divergence. So you note down, it is not negative, it is 0 divergence for this. Then curl also 0, because there is no rotation about a particular point. Vector function for this figure is given. Now let us determine the curl for this function. Curl is del cross v, then it is the x cap, y cap, z cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, then this minus y, x, then 0. So if you determine the value of this determinant, it is 2 z cap. So curl is pointing along the z axis. So here rotation is like this. Now if fingers are giving the direction of the rotation, then thumb will give you the direction of the curl, so as suggested by right hand rule. So in this case curl is pointing along the z axis. Here the vector function is given x, y cap. So here you can see arrows that side of increasing length. Now here arrow is this side, so there is a rotation. Now its vector function is given like this: v is equal to x, y cap. Then curl is del cross v. So now if you substitute the values here, there is no x cap, so 0. Y cap, that is x. There is no z cap, so 0. If you determine the value of this determinant, it is z cap. So here curl is z cap. So here also you can see rotation is in this direction. So curl is pointing in the direction of z axis. I hope you have understood the concept of the curl and its geometrical interpretation. Thank you for watching the video.